Look who's here. It's Breaker Buddy. He's got that boing hammer arm. He's gonna help us.
Breaker Buddy is gonna dig the tunnel. Look, he's making holes in the bridge.
Do you know, Harry? JCB isn't actually a machine name.
Wait, what? But everyone calls that yellow digging thing a JCB.
Yep, it's actually a brand. Joseph Cyril Bamford. It's like calling all noodles Maggie.
Boom! Mind-blown fact.
And one more crazy fact about the tunnel machine.
The one chews through rock?
It's called a tunnel boring machine, and it's longer than a train, over 100 meters sometimes.
That's like 10 school buses stuck together. Tunnel Titan alert. Machines are cooler when you really know them.
And guess what he's putting inside the holes?
Explosives.
Yay, what a perfect blast. Now we've got a way under the road.
Here come the dirt choppers. They're scooping all that messy dirt away.
Nice and clean, just the way we like it. And now, the spinning spinner is here.
You mean the cement mixer truck, Jess?
Oh yeah, he's got the concrete juice for our brand new road.
And here's Raleigh Rollster. He squashes the cement flat like a pancake.
Smooth as butter on toast.
And that's how we built a perfect tunnel road.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Like, share, comment, subscribe to QTP